I'm going to show you two ways to make crispy pita croutons. We're going to fry one batch and I'm going to show you two ways to make crispy pita croutons. I'm going to shallow fry one batch and I'm going to stick the other batch in the oven. You can decide which recipe you would like to follow. These pita croutons can be made ahead, they can be fried or baked, and I'm first going to separate the pita and cut it into squares. This is Arabic pita and it's much thinner than a Greek pita, and I like to use scissors to cut it. I've only used one pita for this recipe, but you can make more and store it in an airtight container if you wish. The first method, and the method I prefer, is to shallow fry the pita. Add a little olive oil to a frying pan and allow the pita to absorb the oil and crisp up. You can use any oil for this, but the olive flavor is amazing. Turn these over, lightly salt them, and keep them aside. For the next batch, I'm going to toss the pita in a little olive oil and salt. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes till it's golden brown. Please note that you should watch the pita in your oven, as it can go from golden brown to dark very quickly. When the pita is ready, take it out of the oven. Let's compare the two side by side. Visually they look the same, but I prefer the taste of the shallow fried pita.